Have you ever wondered how a journey of 238,855 miles began with a single step? The moon landing, a testament to human achievement, was more than a simple voyage. It was a testament to our capacity to dream, innovate, and conquer. Our story begins in the throes of the Cold War. The year is 1955. The United States and the Soviet Union, two superpowers, locked in a race for space supremacy. The space race, as it came to be known, was a game of technological one-upmanship, each nation striving to outdo the other. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy made a daring proclamation. He announced that the United States would land a man on the moon and bring him safely back to Earth before the decade was out. This ambitious goal set the stage for the historic Apollo missions. The Apollo program, a series of space missions, was the United States' response to Kennedy's call. It was a Herculean task, requiring the combined efforts of thousands of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. These missions were fraught with challenges, from the deadly Apollo 1 fire in 1967 to the successful orbit of the moon by Apollo 8 in 1968. But the crowning achievement came with Apollo 11. On July 20th, 1969, the world held its breath as Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins embarked on a journey that would etch their names in the annals of history. Armstrong and Aldrin descended to the lunar surface in the lunar module, aptly named Eagle. As Armstrong took that first step onto the moon's surface, he uttered the now famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Aldrin soon joined him, and together they spent over 2 hours outside the module, conducting experiments and collecting lunar samples. Meanwhile, Collins orbited overhead in the command module, a solitary sentinel awaiting their return. After their lunar expedition, Armstrong and Aldrin successfully docked with Collins for the journey back to Earth. On July 24th, they splashed down in the Pacific Ocean, marking the successful conclusion of the mission. In summary, the moon landing was a monumental achievement, born out of a race for space supremacy between the United States and the Soviet Union. The Apollo program, in response to Kennedy's ambitious goal, overcame numerous challenges to finally land a man on the moon with Apollo 11. This historic mission saw Armstrong and Aldrin walk on the lunar surface while Collins orbited overhead. Their successful return marked a significant milestone in human history and remains a testament to our capacity for innovation and exploration. Indeed, the story of the moon landing is a story of human tenacity and ingenuity. It's a reminder that when we dare to dream, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning.